Hello everyone, my name is Diptindu Acharya and welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you how to make orange sling mocktail. For orange sling mocktail you want orange crush, lime cordial, monster, Fanta and soda. This is the refreshment mocktail stirring method. How to make orange sling mocktail. First of all take a tall glass and you have to add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then you have to pour lime juice or lime cordial. Then you have to pour orange crush. Then you have to pour some Fanta, sorry, Monster, and you can pour some Fanta to the mocktail and some soda. Here orange, you have to stir all the ingredients. Very simple mocktail you can try with the combination of orange crush, lime cordial, Monster. This is like a Monster for and like Fanta and soda. You can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.